In this video, we will learn network types such as local area network, wireless local area network and wide area network. First of all, network types are not just these. There are many network types such as campus area network, metropolitan area network and storage area network. But to understand the general concept, it will be enough to focus on the first three. A local area network is the most common network type. It allows users to connect within a short distance in a common area. Once they connect, users have access to the same resources. For example, you might use a local area network when you connect your laptop to the internet at your home and print a document from a printer on the same network. A wireless local area network operates similarly to a local area network because it transmits data within a small area. It's rarely necessary to have a wired connection for devices that use a wireless local area network. While typically less secure and slightly weaker than other networks, a wireless local area network provides users with the flexibility to use their devices in various locations. For example, a user can connect to the internet with his phone using wireless local area network. A wide area network is an extensive network that's not limited to geographical space. The largest wide area network is the internet. Corporations and international companies may use wide area networks to provide a common network with far-reaching connectivity. For example, remote workers who use the internet to access information from their company make use of a wide area network. I recommend you watch the next networking course. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comments.